As a unique art form, pixel art has become increasingly popular. It has been applied to many fields such as NFT, GameFi, and so on as a Web3 investment. Do you want to grow your own Web3 business? In this video, I will share how to make pixel art and introduce the best pixel art maker and software for you. Let's dive in. For beginners, professional tools are hard to use. If you're not familiar with these tools, you can utilize Google Sheets to create basic pixel art. First, resize the row and column to make the cells into a square shape, and it's advisable to begin with a small canvas size as a beginner. Consider dimensions such as 16x16 or 32x32 pixels for simpler undertakings. Next, outline the fundamental structure of your pixel art on the canvas following your design. This step impacts the overall outcome. Now, select a color palette that complements your pixel art style. Bear in mind that limiting the number of colors enhances the aesthetic appeal of pixel art. Begin filling in the colors of your pixel artwork, adhering to the chosen palette. To add depth and artistic flair to your pixel images, employ dark shadows and bright highlights to create a 3D effect. This step involves working with distinct pixel blocks, necessitating continual adjustment of shadow and highlight placement to achieve optimal results. After everything is done, you can export your pixel art as PDF. Don't be afraid to experiment, practice, and refine your skills to enhance your pixel art drawing. But do you think using Google Sheets is still hard to make pixel art? Can we make our own pixel art in seconds? Yes, of course. You can try the easy pixel art generator to make pixel art drawings, or pixel art game graphics. Here you can try an AI-powered online pixel art generator from Footer to simplify your pixel art creation process while outputting high-quality pixel artwork at the same time. First, heading to footer.com on Google, choose the text-to-image feature. You will see the interface, including a text box, version model, styles, aspect ratio, and how many images you want. Enter your prompt into the text box, and you can also input the negative prompts to avoid things you do not want. And then choose the M2 model, which is the latest model with the highest quality. Scroll down the styles and choose the pixel art style. Then click on the Generate button to make pixel art of your own. Wait for a minute. Your pixel art will be shown here. You can click the button to download and upload anywhere you want. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get more tips, and thumbs up if you like this video. See you in the next video.